Hello there, this is Madhumita. Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you this beautiful eye makeup based on this amazing wallpaper. I became obsessed with these colors and I'm gonna try this. So to see the full process, keep watching. First, I am starting by priming my face. For that, I am using Maybelline 24K Gold Gel Base Primer and I am applying all over my face. Now for foundation, I am using Pack Age Liquid Foundation 1 and applying all over my face. Then using our Damp Beauty Blender, blending this all. Now for concealer, I am using Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer Medium and applying under my eyes, on chin, around nose, on forehead, bridge of my nose and around lips. Then again blending this all. Now I am setting this all using Pack Translucent Powder 01. Then to fill my eyebrow, I am using Etude House Drawing Eyebrow Dark Brown and first using its attached fully, I am brushing my brow hair. Then I am lining my brow following its natural hairline. And also filling my brow. Then again brushing my brow hair to spread the color evenly. Now I am cleaning my brows edges using the same concealer. For eyeshadow, I am using Morphe 35B eyeshadow palette and first taking this black color pebble, I am applying on my crease line. And blending it nicely. Then I am taking this color purplish and applying just on the black eyeshadow. Then blending the edges using the same color. Then I am taking this color puffs and placing just on the edges and blending it nicely. Then again I am taking this color Sunshine and placing just on the edges of previous color. And blending everything properly. I am also applying this color on outer area of eyelid. Now I am cutting my crease using Maybelline New York Fit Me Concealer Light. Then I am taking this color Ziggy and applying just on the center of my eyelid. After that, I am taking this color Sky and applying on the both sides. Then blending the both colors edges. Then again applying Ziggy on the center. Then the color Sky on the both sides. Then applying purplish on the outer corner. And inner corner. Then applying pebble just on it. Then applying azure just on the color Sky. Now I am highlighting my brow bone using this color from Revolution Pro 4K Highlighter Palette Gold. Then I am tightlining my waterline using Wet n Wild Color Icon Kohl Liner Pencil. You are always white. Then applying a sky blue eye pencil on it. Then applying sky on the lower lash line. Then applying ziggy on the edges. Then applying the same color to highlight my inner corner. Then applying Maybelline New York Volume Express Hyper Curl Mascara on my lashes. Now to contour my face, I am using this color from NYX Professional Highlight and Contour Pro Palette Matte Finish and applying on cheekbone, on hairline, on jawline and on nose. Then for blush, I am using this color Brilliant and applying on cheeks, and on nose. Therefore, I am highlighting my face using the same color and applying on cheeks, on chin, on nose tip, bridge of my nose, on forehead and on cupid bow. Then I am lining my lips using a dark brown lip liner. Then applying Wet n Wild Mega Lush Lip Color Pink Sugar on the center. Then blending the two colors using a lipstick brush. So this is the final outcome. Blue ocean and sunset view look. Let me know how is this look by commenting down. If you like this video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So see you on next video. Till then, stay safe, spread love. Bye bye.